Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2010 Honda Pilot. This thing is awesome. This is the second generation Honda Pilot, which if you do a little research, you're going to find out real quick that the second generation Honda Pilot is one of the best generation pilots you could ever have. One of the most trusted, one of the most durable, one of the best looking, just awesome. The second generation is incredible. This, of course, is the top of the line Touring Edition. It's going to have your running boards, your premium alloy wheels. This one is, of course, equipped with the towing package there. Inside here, you're going to have your third row seating, which is still going to give you ample room with your rear seat, your very back seat folded up. Still gives you good room. Once you fold that third row seating down, it's going to give you a ton of storage space. It is equipped with your power lift gate, so you just push that button and that will drop down there. Up here, you're going to have ample room there to stretch out. You're going to have your climate control, your inputs for your rear entertainment system there. That is, your TV will fold down. You do have your remote sitting there. You do have a center armrest console, and again, these will slide forward or backwards. They're on a track, so to give you more or less space in the back as you need. You can fold it down. I do have a full pictorial of that configuration at citymotors.net. You do have your sunshades right here. They will just slide up and slide down, giving you additional tinting there. Really good, especially if you have kids in the back seat. That makes it really nice. Up front here, of course, you're going to have all your power options, memory seating. You're going to have that button for your power lift gate. Of course, you're going to have power seats on both sides, side impact airbags, duplicate audio controls. That's going to be Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone without taking your eyes off of the road. Take your phone calls if you need. You're going to have cruise control. This one is going to have your premium audio, navigation with backup camera, huge display there, really nice. Tri-climate control, that's driver, passenger, and rear. That is your control for your navigation unit. Oversized center console there. Sunroof, of course. Luggage rack. Tires are in great condition. Again, this thing was very well maintained. We sold this thing several years ago to a good friend and customer of ours, and it was very well maintained. Timing belt has been done. Let me repeat that. Timing belt has been done. These are timing belt vehicles. The timing belt has been done. At City Motors, we're going to give you a 6-month warranty on this one as well. We have 0 processing fees. That's a huge deal. Don't get tied up in those processing fee games. We have no processing fees here. You can call us at 540-433-7335. You can text us 24/7 at that same number. Do not miss this one. Second generation Honda Pilot Tourings are very hard to find. This one is in great condition and under $12,000. Don't miss it. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.